We are writing a program to find the compound interest. Having given us the formula of the compound interest, so from there we can identify the variable to be used. So we need letter P to represent our principal. So that means we have to impute our and convert our input data into floats. So once the input, we use float function. So before you now type the inputs, so whatever you are inputting, we are converting it into floats. Enter the principal. So that has been done. The next thing, we need letter R that represents the rate. So rates, we can also declare our rate to be floats by assigning inputs so into floats. We need to enter the rate. So we need to input the numbers of time, which is represented by T. We can input the year, so let it be integer. Input quotes enter the year. So then the numbers of time the interest is being calculated, we need that one also. The numbers of time, the numbers of months. So that one can also be integer. So we will also input the number, enter the numbers of months of times. The interest is being calculated. So you close the first bracket and second bracket. So now is to enter the formula now. Formula for calculating compound interest. AMT, which represents the amount to be calculated, is equal to where P, our principal, multiply open bracket 1 plus R divided by N. Then raised to power in Python is double asterisk bracket numbers of months multiplied by numbers of T. So the formula has been entered. So now to print out our compound interest that has been computed, the compounded interest is AMT. So enter. We have completed the program. Let's run and see what is going to be our output. If the principal is 34,000, the rate is 2%, the year is 5 years, the numbers of months is 12 times, enter 12 times in the months. This will be the answer. Let me re-enter it again. So let's run it again. If the principal is 56,000, the rate is 0.5%, 0.03%, the year is 6 years, as numbers of time will be calculated in a year, 12, the interest will be 57,029. So thank you very much. This is how to calculate compounded interest.